Hi guys, today I'm going to show you where you can find Microsoft 77-727 terms. First, open your browser and type preparefortest.com. You can search this exam with two ways. First, go to C products and search for Microsoft. See if you find your exam here, like here it is. You can also search it in a search bar. You can read all the information for this exam here. If you want to check the quality of the product, you can download the demo version. Here is the price. This is a discounted price. You can add to cart and check out if you want to purchase this exam. Thank you guys. Please share and subscribe our channel.